Shooting your first wedding. From Susan Taylor Photography. Video 2. Planning your day's work. In our first video, we paused to look at this sample wedding day timetable. A timetable is the easiest way to make sure you're in the right place at the right time. So how do you put together a timetable for the wedding day you're covering? Well, everything you need should come from the most important conversation of all. Sitting down with the couple and asking them exactly what they want. The easiest time for this might be at the engagement shoot. The engagement shoot is a really fun way to get to know the couple you will be working with, as well as helping them to relax in front of the camera. Whenever and wherever you meet up, as they are explaining what they want, be sure to 1. Listen carefully. 2. Ask questions if you are unsure of anything. 3. Make notes of what is agreed. Using a notebook is a really good idea. It's harder to lose. By the time you leave your meeting with the couple, be sure you have the following information. 1. The wedding date. 2. Details of any locations the couple want you to work, such as the bride's house, the church, the celebration venue. 3. Important timings on the day. The ceremony, cake cutting, first dance, entertainments. 4. All possible contact details. 5. A list of important pictures. 6. The length of time you have to photograph groups and the signature pictures of the bride and groom. 7. What does the couple want as a finished product? Is it a USB drive, an online gallery for downloads, a photo book? 8. Details about how and when you will be paid. When you leave with these things agreed, you can use them to construct a timetable for the day you are covering, like the one we looked at earlier. But if you're looking at your workload for the wedding day and worrying that you might have taken on more than you can handle, don't panic. Help is coming. Watch our next video to find out different ways of making your day's work easier. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to ring the bell for notifications. Or if you find the video helpful, you could even buy me a coffee. Just use the links below.